How much are your hats? Is this Stretch Armstrong? I feel like it's missing. What is that? Guys, I am road tripping from Tampa, Florida, all the way up to Virginia to hit up the 100-mile sale, and we found some cool items that we don't normally find in Tampa.
Turn around, boys. It looks expensive in here.
No, it ain't it. All the shit was $1. Go. I was sold the hell out of it.
Look at this. This place is awesome looking.
See, we need the rest of this stuff that's $1.01.
This place is impressive, man.
That's the kind of place I need.
Man, like,
This much space.
is there stuff on the walls for sale?
Not right now.
Okay.
In the fall.
I mean, this is just.
I'm up in here.
So you guys on your way down? I don't know. I'm
There we go.
selling that bike on this all the way to the back. He said if you can climb there from here without the use of the ladder.
Sir, what do you have on this? Lunchbox? 50 cent? Alright. There's another one? Oh, right there. Is that one also 50 cents?
Yep.
Alright. It's actually Victory, I think. $1. Thank you. Got those. Is everything in these tables like cheap like that?
Yes, everything is cheap.
Okay.
Let me look twice.
And then what about this stuff too? This cast iron stuff here, is this cheap like that as well?
$5 a piece for them.
Well, 5 piece of these, okay.
$1 for that, $1 for this, $1 for that, $1 for that one.
Is there $1?
Couple dollars for this.
Okay.
Oh, this stuff is gone.
What about the statues there? Those for sale?
Yeah, but I want 100 for
100?
Yeah, because I looked on the internet and they sold for $224. They was made in Lynchburg Foundry.
Did you paint over them? So it looks like someone repainted over them. It looks like.
Yeah, they probably were. They've been in my mom's house for 50 years. They got them in
And now you're asking 100 for them. Would you consider 50 since they were painted over? No. Okay.
I'll take no less than
Okay. That's fair to ask. What do you have on this salad thingy?
Couple dollars. $2.
$2? I'll give you $2 for
It
it.
ain't never been used.
I'll give you $2 for
I had
it.
a bunch.
$2. Thank you. Yep. All right, sir. Have a good day. These are cool. Oh, man. Oops.
Some people are posted on their Facebook on that 100-mile yard sale, and they're
How you doing today?
good, man. What's going on today?
Not much. We got some cards here. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, jeez. Is this Stretch Armstrong?
Yeah. It was stiff this morning. Now it's like ready to go.
Yeah. These are awesome. You got more stuff back there? Is that all for sale
Oh,
back
yeah.
there? I can
Yeah.
come back here and look?
Yeah.
I ended up passing on that Stretch Armstrong. It was a newer release from 2016. They only sell for like 10 to 15 bucks.
On Thursday. So. Yeah, that's brand new, never opened.
What the,
The original packaging, yeah.
these are shirts you said that you have for sale?
What was that?
These are shirts for sale?
Yeah, they're all different prices.
Like how much is something like that?
$10.
10 bucks? Megadeth. What is this?
lot of people looking for Halloween stuff. I'm just like,
Ice 9 kills? Oh, jeez. Don't have a cow, man. I've never seen this before. The Simpsons? This is cool. E.T.
yeah. Oh, last year one guy bought like 5 or 6 games off me. That was,
Oh, you got more cards? Boxes of cards?
yeah, it's still 92s. I forget what it is.
I can have to look at it's 87. What are you asking for that?
I think I have a box right here, 25.
25. Would you do 20 bucks a box if I buy them both?
Sure.
Okay. I'm not worried about these.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So 20 for those, 20 for those. I'm gonna get this as well. 2 boxes and this for 45.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate you working with me. Yeah, I got you, man. I had no hands.
And I was like, how much you want? He's like, 20 bucks. And Joe picked it up.
Mm-hmm.
He had his phone checked.
Which is that?
I want to get 20 for him.
Okay.
10 for that.
10 for this. Okay. Got some of that, but see what else you got here. What do you have in this guy? What is it, a bank?
No, it's a sitting on a trailer hitch ball.
Oh. Huh. That's interesting. $5 for it. It's kind of cool.
Hokey bird.
Yeah. Kind
Are
of
you
a thing.
from this area?
No, I'm from Tampa. Tampa. Yeah.
So the other guy was from Florida too.
Yeah. We actually came together. So we're both from Florida, and then the other guy's from I'm actually originally from Pennsylvania. But, so let me keep looking around, see what else you got. Do you know if the camera works at all? Yeah. Take 5 for it?
You 10.
Do 5? All right, I'll give you 5 for it.
Eagles.
Nah. Oh, it's Eagles football?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Damn. Brand new. $5 in the box.
Oh, that's actually really cool. See, this is what they use for Argot balls. How much are your hats?
They're older hats. They're in the
Yeah.
80s. Probably 20.
20 each? Okay.
Yeah.
Kyle Petty one's cool. It's missing the sign. The phone's cool. Yeah. Yeah, that happens. That happens a lot. The old ones. Is that a Griffey jersey?
Yes.
Yeah. No, it's not. What's this? This is super cool. How much you have for this?
I think 7.
7? Do 5?
Why not?
Okay, cool. $5, man. Thank you. What is that?
Gotta be Dungeons and Dragons for the one with Jeremy Irons in it.
Oh crap!
Studio.
What did you pay for that?
20 bucks?
30 bucks.
30 bucks.
$30. What do you think it's worth?
A little over 100 probably.
Wow, that's super cool, man. Mike's been butthurt ever since you picked that up.
Teach myself a lesson because I didn't carry my phone with me. And I didn't have you research it. I saw it.
What is this?
And I was looking at shit the rod. Yeah, but that's too modern there. That's what made me think.
I don't know, man.
You gotta talk to the president. President.
I feel like it's missing.
President. Oh.
Does this work?
I just have this big happenstance. It probably does work.
Yeah, I think it may. I can't tell if it's missing something or if it's supposed to be like
Is
that.
it?
It's supposed to be a cover over it, or?
I don't think so. How about 15, man? You can test it out over there.
Yeah.
You can test it.
Yeah, like this over there? Okay. Let me try to see if I can find a picture online first. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah. It works.
It work?
It works. Would you do 10 for it? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
He had a couple more of those, though.
Yeah, but
All right, so Mike, what'd you just buy?
Oh, I bought a Dinsmore. It's Flint, Michigan. It is a automotive compass, vintage, like so 1940s, 50s, and
Is that listed right now?
this is listed
Yeah.
$300 with 11 watchers.
Okay.
So time to beat them.
Hello, hello.
How you doing?
Good, man. This guy right here. Look at this guy.
Don't touch my stack. This is the guy right behind you here.
Oh,
This is
how you doing, man? Is this yours here? Yep. What are you asking for him? $10. You don't have the chain?
I don't have the chain. I wish I did.
Yeah. These wrestling LJN figures from the 1980s are extremely collectible, especially if you have the accessories. What I'll do is I'll take his collar off his neck and I'll sell that separate. That should give us about $15 by itself. Dude. They wanted $55 for this LJN Mr. Fuji figure. Now, I collect LJN figures, so I know a lot about them. This figure in mint condition, loose, with the cane, can sell anywhere from $50 to $75. With this package did have some damage, but I do think I can still get about $100, $125 for it. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
150. $2.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Got a pair of Lucky Jeans, Lucky brand, $2.
What, the jerseys? The DVDs?
I bought all your jerseys last year.
Yeah, my son's jerseys, y'all.
Yep.
Have a good day.
How much are the blow molds?
The what?
The blow molds. You got blow molds in the garage right there. Are they for sale? The Santa Claus.
No, you cannot.
Okay.
No.
It's worth a try.
For the right price, maybe.
Yeah.
What's the right price?
I don't think he's gonna like my $100 price. For my Santa over there.
And what else? What else behind it?
What about the? You have a?
No, I
Oh,
have
she had
a
the manger
million
set?
and one Santa Clauses.
Get the manger set.
Just and baby Jesus.
She ain't got the wise man, but our dumbass is gonna have to work.
No, I tell you that I'm really not selling that.
No.
I'm really not.
What, the Santa? Or all of it?
All of them.
Okay.
He's just trying to.
Yeah, give you a hard time.
Sorry, I'm not selling them.
I'll get you next year.
You never know when next spring. That's right.
You have a good. You liking that bag?
Coach.
Is it really?
Yeah, it just doesn't have the shoulder straps.
Oh my god. I never would have seen that before. I mean, it's ripped there. And then you got damage in the back there.
And that's a Hartman. That's a
Yeah, Hartman's good, man. But if you take leather cleaner to that, this is all going to clean up.
Yeah.
So if you would have to buy some leather cleaner, wipe that down.
Put out the shoulder strap. This braced on how they carry it. That's what, I mean, you want.
No, I mean, I don't want it. But I mean, it's a case. Unfortunately, is in bad condition. We had to leave it behind. If it was in good condition, this thing would have sold for hundreds.
You will have to learn the names of them. I'm thinking they played in Salem.
Here we go. Look, Lynchburg All Cats.
What the hell is that?
Salem Red Sox. Yep.
Man, I thought they were the Pirates.
They changed the name over the years. Keep an eye out for these special edition collector's box sets. This one's for the Diamondbacks and from 2001 when they won the World Series. This is actually a 7-disc set and it's extremely rare and sells for $100+. I had an absolute blast picking on the 100-mile sale through Virginia. This was the end of day one, so there's going to be multiple videos coming out here in the future because we did 2 more days up there. One of the cool things about doing these highway sales, you never know what you're going to find. And I always find a bunch of old vintage stuff, especially when I go up north. And I absolutely love those vintage items, like the E.T. game, the Simpsons game that we saw, the old packs of baseball cards, the LJN wrestling figures. I don't come across that stuff in Florida, so I like to go to other states and pick other areas too so I can find different items. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. I will be live on Whatnot actually tonight around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come check it out. I'll be doing a raid train with the Philly Flipper. And I'll be doing a bunch of Whatnots next week. So click on the link down below. If you're new to Whatnot, get $15 just for signing up. Come hang out. You don't have to buy anything. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.